Happy Monday. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video on how to get ranked on Google for beginners. And if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say thanks for stopping by. In this video here, I want to give you one tip on how you could get your site ranked on Google if you're a beginner, whether you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, and wondered how you can get ranked. This is the video for you. And with that being said, we're going to jump right in. The first thing that you must do in order to get your site ranked before you can do SEO, before you can do any improvement, is simply submit your site to Google. And how do you go about submitting your site to Google? You can even submit subdomains. You simply go, which I include a link in the bottom of the description of this video, to Google Creole. And once you're there at Google Creole, it will give you the option to submit your domain, subdomain, or URL prefix. And once you do that, Google will then crawl your site. For those that you do know, Google will crawl your site, send you a small report, and let you know what's good with your site, what's not good with your site, what you need to improve upon, let you know if you got any broken links, any errant pages, and the list goes on of things that they will tell you to fix. Google will pretty much give you a report on things you need to fix in order to improve your ranking. And why is this so important? Why is it that we must take these steps like this? Is because we want to get the traffic from Google and YouTube. But right now we're talking about the main traffic source, Google, because a lot of people use Google every day to make buying decisions more than they do anything. No matter what industry in, whether you're in home goods, whether you're hair care products, whether you're in the travel industry, network marketing, affiliate marketing, there is a way for you to also get traffic from Google. But I know a lot of these gurus got a lot of people thinking that all you need is a Facebook page. But the thing about it is that they do not tell you about Facebook pages. You have to have a Facebook business page, because if you try to market your business on your personal profile, you might get a couple of friends that may want to buy something from you, but you would also get people that would be offended on something that you might have posted a couple of years ago, and it could be a really big turnoff for someone looking to buy your product. And with that being said, you should consider taking this first step, which is going to help you leverage. You can use this leverage later on, forgive me, and to increase your rankings. Another thing you must do is clean up your social media profiles, personal profiles, clean it up, and also set up you some business pages. I always talk about this. Number one, first Google. Number two, second, clean up your social media profiles. Why? Is because nowadays it's getting to when people look for your product, service, you or your company, they often come up your social media profiles first, and then they follow that, and it gives people a good idea, and they help make a decision whether they're gonna trust and follow you and so on. So with that being said, uh, first, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. If you like the content, share, subscribe, comment. Have a nice day.